Early morning.
It is early morning as well. You get this Interceptor fixed for him. It's gonna be a nice day, mate.
Yeah.
That gate weighs a ton, innit?
No, na kolinach są, żebyś przesłała pieniądze. Super. No, ja ci zaraz wyślę. Dobra. Pa.
Torch in there, really. This is what we're going to be digging out today to repair the Interceptor. All these rocks are going to have to be moved out. And then from the drain over in the corner, it's going to be a trench dug all the way along through here to replace the pipework. Probably about 12 to 15 metres of it. All around here is all going to be fenced off. Make it safe for the residents that's living here. We're just waiting now for all the materials to turn up and the excavator to come onto site. It's a lovely place though, isn't it? Really. No squirrels?
Yeah,
no squirrels.
Got one over there.
Yeah?
Yeah. Maybe on the tree. Let's shoot gun. Let's move that baby bench.
We can put the bench just up over here by that other tree, couldn't we? Or over there. I'll do
Make the swimming pool a hot tub.
It's just starting the dig up process now. Moving all the stones.
The Interceptor, how it looks like.
This is the Interceptor that's going to be getting replaced. New off the pallet. This would be at the end that's going to be running downstream. The stand for the bottom. And this is the inlet to go running back at the upstream. As you can see now, pretty much down to the bottom of the manhole. Then dig some more of this out and carry the rest out by hand. this is all what's come out of there. Just exchanging the bucket on the excavator. Here's them alright. You can see it's full of rocks. Well, this is where we're to now. We've reached the Interceptor, which is the piece that's broke. This pipe up through here is going to be replaced as well. Got about another 4 or 5 meters of dig there. But slowly, slowly. And all pipe work replaced. On with the backfill.
I can do that with a shovel. Huh? I can scrape that with a shovel.
You can scrape it with a shovel. There's buy some grass seeds, a couple of bags of compost, sprinkle it down after.
Yeah.
You know what? Yeah, I like that. That looks smart, doesn't it? You can see this is the job we started. Everything's all been backfilled and repaired now underneath. We've just seeded it with new grass seed. I'm going to cover it over with some fresh soil after. It's had all new pipe work going through. As you can see that there.
Wait, I want to move this thing to show them the valve.
There's a rat valve, and this to stop the rats going back into the pipework towards the property. The only way that valve moves is out towards us when the water's flowing through. I'll show you how this works now. It will lift up just like that when the water's flowing through or any waste is coming through. That's exactly how it'll be going.
The holly tree.
This is the end job now. Just put some fresh soil all around the rockery. Made it look nice and presentable. We've got our little swan there. He's in charge of the drain from now on. We've done the rest of this work out of courtesy because it's a residential unit. There's a lot of elderly people. We thought we'd make it look pretty at the end of the job. Thanks very much for watching and have a good day.